In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair Office. While you can go to the Start menu and open Settings, it's easier to right-click on the Start menu and choose Installed Apps. This takes you right to the location you need to be. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, type in Microsoft 365. It will find it. Your Office software will have the language code behind it. In this case, it's ENUS. This is like an Office dashboard. It's not the actual Office software. Click on the three dots on the right side and choose Modify. You'll need to click Yes button. And then you have the choice of a quick repair or an online repair. In most cases, quick repair will fix it. If not, then you need to do the full online repair. This uninstalls Office and reinstalls it. Click Repair. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, usually, maybe a little longer. You will need to have the Office apps closed in order to run it. When this dialog comes up, click Close and your repair is finished. You just need to reopen Outlook or your Office programs and see if the problem was fixed.